recipe, I'm going to be making for you all some Geera Gizzard. Now here I have my gizzard. I already cleaned and washed it. I'm just gonna set this aside because I want to brine some fresh seasoning to season the gizzard. So to your food processor, you're going to go in with some pimento peppers. I'm putting in 2 hot peppers, and you can put as much or as little hot peppers as you like. Or you can even omit the peppers and just make it with the pimento pepper. I'm going in with some garlic, some scallion or scythe, or you can even omit the peppers and just make it with the pimento pepper. I'm going in with some garlic, some scallion or scythe, and some fresh bandania or cilantro. Or if you can't find bandania, you can try substituting with some flat leaf Italian parsley or some cilantro. Next, you want to cover and blend into a fine paste. Once you finish processing the seasonings, you're going to add it to the gizzard. Now I'm using gizzard for this recipe. If you wanted to use another popular part of the chicken they're using right now in Trinidad is the chicken neck. So you can use beef, you can use pork, you can use chicken, you can even use turkey. Next, I'm going to go in with salt to taste and some freshly cracked black pepper. Next, mix. After you've mixed in all of the seasonings, you're going to cover this and allow it to marinate for at least 1 hour minimum. To a pot on medium-low heat, I'm going to go in with some garlic infused oil from CG. When the oil heats up, you're going to go in with some methi or fenugreek seeds. And some Geera or cumin seeds. Allow these to toast until they turn a dark brown color. When the seeds start to turn a dark brown color, you're going to go in with some chopped onions. And saute until light brown. Now you don't put the onions together with the methi seeds to brown because the methi seeds will not brown. You have to allow those to brown first before you add in the onions. So I'm going to allow the onions to get a golden brown color. I'm also going to go in with a few leaves of carapale or curry leaves as they're called. After the onions are brown, add in your seasoned meat. In this case, I'm using the gizzard. Next, toss to coat. We're going to allow this to bunge down or fry down in here just until all of the liquid in the pot dries out. Now, as you can tell, I didn't put any Geera or curry or anything in the pot. I'm making it the way that my mother-in-law taught me to make it, and I absolutely love it this way. Rather than frying the Geera, I like putting it at the end, just 10 minutes before it's finished cooking. Now I want to tell you guys, if you buy gizzard and you find that the gizzard is very tough, you want to pressure cook it before you do this step. In that way you'll have a tender gizzard. But usually when I buy this gizzard, it's really tender. It does not take very long to cook. Hence the reason why I'm not pressure cooking it. So I'm just going to allow this to cook down or bunge down in here, after which we'll add water to allow it to cook. Once you start to hear that thickened sound, you're going to go in with enough water to cover the gizzard. Now you're going to cook this on medium heat until the gizzards are tender or they're to your liking. Okay, so I just checked the gizzard and it has a really good tenderness to it. And there's still a lot of water in there left, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in the Geera, and this is ground Geera or cumin seeds that has been roasted or toasted and ground into a powder. And I'm also going to go in with some fresh pimento pepper sauce that I made, and you'll find the recipe for this on my channel. And I'm just going to mix that in, and I'm going to allow this to cook for about 5 to 8 more minutes until that sauce in here thickens up. You'll want to taste it and make sure that it has enough salt to your liking. Okay, after the sauce thickens up like this, this is now ready. So I'm gonna dish this out, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. So guys, here you have it, Geera Gizzard. I have to say, I've never had Geera Gizzard until I tasted it at Eddie Hart, and I was really in love with it. So I had to recreate this recipe for you all. It's absolutely delicious. I love the fact that there are no bones in there, so you can eat this in a hot spread and you can really enjoy it. So if you guys make this and you make it differently, let me know how you make it. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all another day with another one of my recipes. Enjoy!